Chelsea, have you been a good girl? Chelsea, have you been a good girl? No? Georgie, have you been a good girl? Are you being gentle? Good girl. Can you say careful? Careful. Can you say cooking? Can you? Did you do a pop off? Chelsea, have you been a good girl? Yeah. Have you been a good girl? What? Chelsea, have you been a good girl? Oh dear. Thank you. Georgie, can you give me a smile? Georgie, smile.